All right, I'm back. Standard Glock Model 19. You can see it's clear in there. No ammunition, nothing like that, so we don't have to worry. 2 magazines, Glock magazines, completely empty, so we're not worried about that. This is your standard Glock magazine, obviously one that I have not messed with. Put that in, and you can see that's how it is. Still, for me, is a little comfortable, so I'm not really too worried about it, but take that magazine out, put this new magazine in, you can see how well that fits right in there. Perfect for your pinky to just kind of spill over onto the magazine there. And that is actually super comfortable. I like that a lot. So there is that. You buy this, it comes with a pack of 3 of them. So obviously pretty simple to change out, and it makes it way more comfortable for shooting. And it's not really that much more. So if you were trying to conceal this, doing your concealed carry, I don't think that would really do that much more. Let's see if I can put them side by side here. I don't think it would do that much more printing or anything if you're having an issue with that. So it's just a little bit more you can see there on the side. So super comfortable. Obviously not OEM Glock, but I mean, it's just the base plate's not like we're changing out springs or followers or anything like that. So I think it's really gonna be that big of a deal. You use China. So I'm gonna give this one an A+. So if you guys wanna find this in the description, hit it down there. Bada bing, bada boom, go buy yourself one. I think these were like, hold that thought. These were $13.99. So if this is something that you feel like that you need, a necessity, you know, you want it, it's not like something cool that all your friends are gonna be like, yo, that thing looks sick. But it does help on grip, especially if you have like a smaller, like a 26 or a 19, and you have larger hands and you feel like your hand's gonna slide down there. I would definitely put that in there. This way you have a little bit more room, a little bit more purchase on the grip. So. Links in the description below if you want to check them out. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you gals and guys next time.